This is Brett with Summit Automotive in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin and Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. We are here, or I'm here at the 2019 Chicago Auto Show here in Chicago, Illinois. And getting our first look at the 2019 Jeep Gladiator. It's the highly anticipated pickup truck from Jeep. And it's on, it's a Wrangler. So the roof and the back comes off. And just wanted to do a video to get a good look of the new Gladiator. And then we'll go into depth of the options and everything on the vehicle. But first I'd like to just do a kind of a far walk around so you can get a good idea of the overall look and styling of the vehicle. And then we get up close and check out more of the specifics of the vehicle. You can see it has the bed rail tie downs. This one also has the LED bed lights. And it's got the little Heart 419 on there. So you got your LED lighting, you got 115 volt, 400 watt plug-in back here. That tailgate is a kind of has a shock on it so that it doesn't slam down on you. Also has backup sensors, towing package, 4-pin and 7-pin wiring.
Test all the features of the car at the same time. When you put it in,
this particular one is an Overland, has the LED lighting group on it.
More power, more torque to be able to drive through the sand without getting stuck.
I believe this one is billet silver. Comes with Bridgestone Dueler HT tires. These are 255/70 R18s. Comes with 4-wheel disc brakes, painted and polished aluminum rims. Comes with some nice running boards on here. So the whole back comes off on these vehicles.
The fascia doesn't end up with
looks like it has a couple of bolts back here, which I'm sure that's how you get that back piece off. It has sliding rear window with the built-in rear defrost. And on the interior, it's very similar to the Wranglers. Has the auto headlamps, power windows, power locks, just like the Wranglers JLs do. Has the 7-inch TFT display. What I like with Jeep and Ram and Chrysler, they make everything just about the same on their steering wheel, so all the controls are familiar no matter what vehicle you get into. You got your cruise and Bluetooth, or your info and Bluetooth controls. You got your cruise. This one has adaptive cruise control on it. You get the 8.4 touchscreen radio, AM, FM, and Sirius satellite radio capabilities. This one has heated seats in it, start-stop technology, push-button 4-wheel drive, your 4-wheel drive shifter right here. I'm sorry, push-button starts. Comes with the 8-speed automatic transmission. You get 4 auxiliary switches right there, part of the trailer tow group. AUX, USB, and USB-C. And dual climate control as well. You get the SOS system in the mirror. Will not focus for me, but has the all-weather floor mats. Like I said, the interior is very similar to the JLs. Overland obviously is not a package on the JLs, but everything's the same interior-wise. And the front end of the Gladiator is pretty much exactly the same as the JL. Has the LED headlamps, LED running lamps, and LED fog lamps.
Sandstone is a very unique rock.
Billet silver, I believe, is the color on this one.
Great traction.
And just a really good looking truck. I'm going to be doing another video of a different Gladiator that they have here that has all the top pieces off. And we'll be checking that one out next. And we'll be at the auto show the rest of today and tomorrow. So if you want to check out all the videos, they'll be live on our YouTube channel very soon. And remember to like, subscribe, and share on this video and all the videos that you see there. In fact, in a second, you'll see a link to more YouTube videos and a link to more Wranglers and links to our website on the bottom. Thanks again for checking out the video, and stay tuned for even more.